Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Calema and Dilsinho. So Calema has been with us before many times. This brothers singing and playing perfectly smooth voices, and they do this with Dilsinho, Leva Tudo. That's the title of this song. I think that translates into take everything, and that is how far I came when it comes to lyrics in this specific song. Anyway, we're gonna learn to play it. Okay, so that's the mission. Let's go into this tutorial, and we're gonna use a capo set on the 3rd fret to handle the song. With that capo on 3rd, we have 4 easy chords. So we're gonna start with the chords and the C. C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be D, and D will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have the B minor, which is a bar chord, so place my index finger on the 2nd fret and I push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. And the final chord is E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna learn the strumming pattern. Grab the first chord C, and 1 round goes. Okay, so we start with 1 down, then comes down up, and then clap down. And if you combine everything together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down. Couple of rounds goes like this. Alright, and you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. In the order we'll learn the chords, and that just rolls from the beginning till the end. C2, D2, B minor 2, and E minor 2, like this. Again. Alright guys, so a simple song from Calema and Dilsinho, Leva Tudo. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Thank you so much, and play tuned.